It's like I'm eating a cloud. It's sort of like a marshmallow. It is so amazing.
Hi, are you gluten intolerant? We have a solution for you. I am Nyerera Mwangi from Gluten Free Guru, here today at Green Spoon Kitchen to show you guys how to make amazing and wonderful fluffy crepes made from our gluten-free Guru flour, which is made up of tapioca, rice, amaranth, millet, cornflour. At the back of our product, we have instructions on how to make amazing and wonderful pancakes. Come on, let's do this. Today's ingredients: gluten-free flour from Gluten Free Guru. For the other ingredients, we have some oil, whole cinnamon, 2 eggs, whole milk, some sugar, butter, and some vanilla essence. So we begin by beating 1 egg, and then into that we add our milk and mix. Once it's well incorporated, we'll add in our oil. So after everything has mixed up properly, we're going to now move to our dry ingredients. I've measured around 100 grams of flour. Into that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to mix that up until it's properly incorporated. Now we add in our flour gradually while mixing. So it's still a bit wet. We're going to keep adding until we get a nice consistency like this. Our butter is now ready. Now that our pan is nice and hot, we're going to add a teaspoon of butter. I will let the butter melt. We're going to grab our ladle and put our mixture in. So we're going to swirl it around. We are cooking on medium heat here. And as you can see, the bubbles have already started to come through. Let us flip it. So we're going to let the other side cook. So now let's see the other side. Perfect. Our crepes are done. And that's how we make our crepes. And here with me is Keith, ready to do our taste test. Keith, please welcome.
Okay, thank you. Well, I've never had this before, but it looks absolutely
amazing,
delicious.
Right?
I'm anxious to dig in, so let me start.
Please do.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
It is so scrumptious and delicious. It's soft, it's fluffy, You're a really good cook.
Okay. Thank you so much. Is it any different from any other crepes you've had before?
No. It's no different. It's actually softer and it's like I'm eating a cloud. It's sort of like a marshmallow. It is so amazing.
And that is all because of our gluten-free flour from Gluten Free Guru. Yes.
Well, I'm excited to taste it some more. Let's see how it is with the
This is our chocolate sauce.
Yes. Let me have a small dip inside. Oh my goodness.
That's good.
That is better than good.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Keith and I are going to continue enjoying our nice fluffy crepes, maybe with a glass of milk. But if you want to try this recipe plus more, please visit Green Spoon for more of our products.
She's lying. This is all mine.